So just a quick question. Can anyone see my screen very well, very clear? Yeah, brilliant. Okay, lovely, lovely. Thank you, thank you. So, let's start. Let's start. Yes. So basically, the first topic for today is what we call the online opportunities and how actually the internet and online activities, if it is for the business or for enterprise or for you guys as a students, it could be an opportunity for you to build your online business. Today, our objectives is to learn more about how the internet access actually has grown around the world. And we have huge number of internet users like on daily basis around the globe. And how this actually, those big numbers could lead actually to the new business opportunities that we may have to introduce it to the online users, and then we can catch them and convert them to become customers. Actually, how third things as we will touch base is how marketing has changed from the previous traditional concept to the new digital marketing concept, which is actually huge different between the traditional marketing and of course the digital marketing, and how things has been changed for the last 10 years. How technology affects our daily business and some economic principles that it should be actually relevant to the digital world. So let's start with the world goes actually all the world is going digital. And if you think about the numbers actually on the online users, we have more than 4 billion active users, and those numbers they came up from the last years of 2019. And guess what? Those numbers are actually it's growing up by time. So online, it's actually is demanding. It's the future, and of course the numbers will go up with time all the way up. And because of the COVID-19, actually, uh, businesses, startups, enterprise level businesses, they all now will believe 100% that your business, your ideas should be designed to be online. And of course, this is mandatory for all types of business. Now, let's see, we have in the Arab world, in MENA region, actually in Middle East and North Africa, we have around 65 total population, always going online like on daily basis. We have more than 365 million smart devices. Of course, everyone have a smart device now. These days, sometimes one person can have like two smart devices. So it's up to you guys to use whatever how many devices you would like to. And for the third point, actually, I would like to hear your opinion on the third point, as you can see on the slide. Actually, every one of us, like everyone on the internet, they are using the internet for 4 hours a day. And I'm sure you have different opinions about this. So, do you think that you spend like 4 hours a day and that's it, or maybe less, or maybe more than 4 hours a day? So, what do you think? Can you give us like few numbers, like how many hours you spend like every day? Basically, what you can do is just go to g.co/Maharat or the shared link that I'm putting on the chat box here. You can go there, and of course you will learn more lessons, case studies, and of course you can apply for the online test. Once you pass the test, you get like 80% out of 100. You will get another certificate from Google, which is Maharat from Google, and you can, of course, add it to your LinkedIn profile. People now will understand that you have the skills from Maharat about how things actually should work on the website, the search engine optimization, and how you can understand better on the search engine marketing, email marketing, and actually how you could enhance your online business online. All right. So basically, you can go there like anytime you would like to. In case you didn't pass the exam in or at the first time, what happens is you need to wait like 24 hours. You go back to the same platform, You apply online, and of course, you will get the certificates from Google if you get 80% out of 100. All right.